Want to turn your streams into a library of awesome content and supercharge your Twitch channel's growth? Today, we're diving deep into Twitch Stream Archiving, a game-changing feature that lets viewers watch your streams even after you've gone offline. This will help you build your community and create a lasting legacy for your stream. First things first, let's navigate to your Twitch settings. You can find this by clicking your profile icon in the top right corner of the Twitch website, then select Creator Dashboard. Once in your Creator Dashboard, look for the Settings section on the left-hand side under Settings. Click on Stream. Now, you should see the stream settings in this menu. You'll find the archive setting. The key is to enable the storage of your past broadcasts. Just look for Store Past Broadcasts, which will have a toggle. Simply click the toggle next to Store Past Broadcasts to enable it. This will make your streams available as videos on demand or VODs, allowing viewers to watch them later. You can also adjust other archive settings, such as highlight automatically. Your archived streams are stored in the Video Producer section of your Creator Dashboard. You can access this by clicking the three lines next to your profile on the left of your Creator Dashboard and selecting Video Producer. In the Video Producer, you will find your VODs, your past broadcasts. From here you can manage your VODs, add thumbnails, edit titles and descriptions, highlight the best moments, and even clip valuable content. This is your content library, and it's the perfect place for viewers to catch up on all your past streams. So get archiving. It is a great way to grow your community and build a valuable content library for your viewers. Now go forth and create amazing content. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more #Twitch tips.